Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Cute Arna, and today again I'm here with an unboxing video. So I'm gonna unbox this package I was waiting for from a long time. So this package is of a book. So I first let me tell you which book is this. This is a book which I have written by my own on Bree Books, and okay, let me tell you the secret also right now, that I write books. And please go to breebooks.com and buy my books. You can write your own books and show your passion on this platform. So let's unbox this now. You will have this packaging over here like this. So here first I got this bookmark, I guess, and there it is written, "Thank you so much for using Bri Books. We are so grateful for the pleasure of serving you and hope we meet your expectations. Reading is dream without your eyes open." So this is, yes, a bookmark. And let's see my book now. This is my book. It has come in a zipper bag. So this is my book. So I have written this book by myself, The Story of Arna. This is the cover page of, and I have the proof that this is my book and this is my picture on it. So I have also written that I am Arna and I am 10 years old. I love to read and write books. And this is true. I don't only love making videos, but yeah, even writing books. So let me show you the inside. This is the first page. This is the second, and I have written a lot of things. So go on breebooks.com and buy my book. Bye.